Welcome to the world of the Lingoliftos! Halloween for beginners! Look at the pumpkin! Pumpkin! I am a friendly ghost. Ghost. The witch can fly. Witch. Look at the bat. Bat. The spider is cute. Spider. I love my cat. Cat. I love my costume. Costume. Would you like a candy? Candy! Look at my mask. Mask. The moon is so big. Moon. My skeleton can dance. Skeleton, skeleton, skeleton. This house is haunted. Haunted. What a cute monster. Monster. I'm scary. Scary. It is dark in here. Dark. I love the night. Night. Well done. See you next time.